to my channel. I'm Gladys and I love doing DIYs and also woodwork. Kindly subscribe to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. If you are returning, please like, share, and also tell me, what do you think I should build next? What is this that you want me to do? And then I will try my best to build a replica of the same. See you around. Cheers. Finally, I'm done with one. So the remaining part of putting shells is very easy. It's just cutting it, placing on top, applying some small glue. And here we are done. Okay, I'm so hungry, but I've done something beautiful. Yeah, very beautiful though. And I'm so proud of myself for making such a thing. It is so big. You see, that is the height. You see where my hands are? It is so tall. You see even the height, it's almost, yeah, but it's good. It's a very good storage. So I'm so happy for myself for making such a beautiful item. Wait until I put wheels. Oh my goodness, this thing will be very, very great. Walk with me throughout the journey. I'll be sharing with you. Oh, kindly please subscribe. Let me know. Okay, go to community area and chat with me. Tell me something. What should I improve? What I could have done better, maybe. We learn every day, and I appreciate because there are senior DIYers, senior woodworkers who will actually advise me. Here I am. So I'm doing my second item, but I thought to share with you something. Since I'm alone in the house, so I'm like, what I do is first I draw the lines where I'll put the small wood I've already cut into pieces for shelving. So it is easier. I know where the lines are, and also when we go to the back of the item is. You see, I've already drawn even the lines at the back. So why am I having these lines at the back also that are in equal measure with the ones which are inside, so that it will guide me on doing the nailing from outside. You see, I've already put all the lines even this other side, so it is easier to know where I'm supposed to nail from outside. So it is very, very important thing if you want to build it for your own. Yeah, so I told you this is already finished. So I don't know, you can see that is the line. So I will always make sure the wood is exactly below the line. Okay, exactly above the line, sorry. So this one will make my work easier because I've already cut the wood, and you can see from outside. You see now, because I know the size of the let me bring it, because I know the size of the wood I'm using for shelving. So when it is exactly above the line, so I'll just follow my branailer all round. I'm still coming back to do with the normal nails like those ones, but for now it is good to use the branailer to hold everything in place and also to bring the shape. If you can compare this one, the shape is okay. If I can zoom out, because this thing is big. Okay, let me go back a bit. There's no even space of going back. Okay, so if I zoom out, so that is how the shape is good. So this one, which is not worked on, oh my goodness, the shape is let me hold the camera. You see the shape is bulging down there this way, but I'll correct it. Please subscribe. Wow, so this is the progress so far. I'm done with this. And also this. Whew. This stuff is tiring. I'm so tired today, but I'm so happy to have made something. I'm proud of myself. So I was telling you about these things. Oh, okay. As much as they cut for me at the store, or they go down, I buy the wood. I don't know why they keep pending, but I'll try to ship them tomorrow. For tonight, this is done. I'm tired. I need some rest. I need to take a cool shower and rest. I think in terms of shape, this is in good shape. I don't see any problem with it. Okay, so let me try. The space is so small. I cannot even take the wider view of both. Let me try this. So these are the way they are both. So cute. I'm happy already. Finally, I've put shelves to both of them. So this is the one for tools. This is the one I will use as storage. So the remaining part now, I'm gonna fix the doors and wheels, and then I paint them. Actually, I'm using I'll mix lights and dark finish, so that I have in between. I don't want it to be too dark and I don't want it to be too light, because I really want the varnish to hide the nails which I've used, because I didn't use screws in this. I used nails for faster, because if I was to use screws, then I would be drilling the hole first, then screwing it, then I'll see that will take time. So I had to use nails. Yeah, stick around, please subscribe. I'll show you the next step. Hi guys, I'm making the doors. Actually, yeah, you need to buy such an item. You see how they are so helpful when you are, don't worry, I've weird noise reduction, what do you call earmuff, so I may be shouting to you. So when you use such stuff, it makes your work so easy and beautiful. You see, just hold for me, and then here I do. Very simple, and then you just remove them, and voila, the door is ready. I just want to fix up here and bottom there, and then here there I have the door. So you see how it's looking beautiful. Guys, this is the final product. So the two wardrobes, I told you my space is too small. I cannot, you see, even the distance of getting the video is too small, so I was not able to get the full video, but here it is. Wow, so it is too tall though, so that is how it is. So I have two. The first one is for tools and the second one is storage. So the initial color is like this. So I opted to paint this one clear varnish, and then this one I painted mid oak. Okay, I just bought the varnish, and then I was like, let me try. I bought three: the clear, the mid oak, and the dark oak. So I think the side of this, either this side or this side, is what I painted mid and dark, and then front clear. But this one I painted all round. Oh, it's not even yet dry, it's sticky. I painted all round mid oak. So I don't know, just let me know which color are you. Okay, do you think it's beautiful? I don't know, that this one has turned out to be too old but it is my first time though. But I like it. It's so beautiful, the two of them. At least it makes me to easily identify which one I should open when I need to use it. And all of them are in wheel, heavy duty wheels. I'm not able to get near any other available wheels. Maybe I'll show you later. Heavy duty wheels, the max duty. So that it makes it so easy to push around. When you put the wheels which are not heavy duty, once you load the items, it will be difficult to move. But these ones, no matter the weight, because it's supposed to hold that turn, I think. So yeah, it makes my work easier when pulling around. So I'll still show you how this one is coming. So let's open each wardrobe at a time. Oh yeah, I need to move this space. Yeah, so that is shelf 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So that is for tools. It's more than enough though. I'm really happy for myself. I did something so beautiful and I'm so proud of myself. Yeah, so this is for, okay, this is for storage. It's the same as 5 shelves. Yeah, so what is it? It's so beautiful though. So from a distance, I cannot hold. So from a distance, that is it. 2 of them. Isn't it beautiful? Just tell me in the comments below, what do you think? What should I have done better and how I should have improved them. So I've closed them. Yeah, so this is the final look for two big storage wardrobes for my workshop. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe, please, I beg you, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think? What should I do next? Thank you.